Hello friends, welcome to my channel Art by Ila. I'm sure you must have enjoyed my previous video in which I showed you how to make bookmarks. Today we will learn another bookmark and how easily you can make it. All you need for that is a simple chart paper, a yellow colored chart paper which you see on the border, and a brown chart paper. This portion is the brown chart paper. So all you require is a brown chart paper. It can be a thin paper or a thick chart paper that is available at the stationery store. I have taken a thin paper. It's not a chart paper, it's a thin paper that I just picked up randomly from the store. I love the texture. It's thin, yet it gives a nice look. So you need a thin paper, brown paper, a yellow colored chart paper for the border, watercolors, a black sketch pen, and of course a pencil and a rubber. So first we will take a brown chart paper which is around 5 by 6 centimeters, and we will put a border all around it so that the total size of the bookmark is approximately 7 by 7 centimeters. I said approximately, it can be a little bigger or a little shorter as per your desire to make it. But for this bookmark that you see in the video, it's around 7 by 7 centimeters, just for your information. So once you have put the border around the chart paper, with the help of a pencil, draw this flower. It's a very simple 6-petaled flower, the normal flower that I usually draw. If you have been watching my videos, you'll know what kind of flowers I draw. This is one of the most simplest flowers that I draw. So once you've drawn it, draw another outline on it and some leaves and triangles around it. See, this is how it looks on a closer look. See, this is how it looks. So once you have drawn, take yellow watercolor and quickly fill in the petals of the flower. Once it has dried, now take up the blue color and color the outline surrounding the flower. Then with the help of red, color the leaves that you look. Yeah, I know leaves are not red, they are green, but I have given it a red look this time to make it look different, right? And then these triangles that I have colored with very slight beige color. Okay, you can either make it or you can get it at the store, and let it dry. Okay, once it's dry, all you need to do is outline it with the help of a black sketch pen. That's it. It's that as simple as that. So once you have done it, just let it dry for 5 more minutes, and there you are, ready with your brand new bookmark. So just keep on making these bookmarks for the festive season. You can gift it to your friends and families. If somebody pops up at your place unexpectedly and you are running out of gifts, this is one of the best gifts you can give them. So stay tuned to my channel Art by Ila to learn some more exciting arts and crafts work. Right? Bye and take care.